Hello everyone, this is your girl Camille. I want to say welcome back to my channel. Today I want to do another spoon swipe wing, and I'm using custom color base that I mixed the drizzle white with some blue. I just put a little bit of blue in the white and it created that beautiful background. I'm using all pre-mixed paint by Drizzle. I have a lot of these paints, so why not just use them up, right? And I just want to encourage you, if you're new to my channel, you've never seen the spoon swipe technique, you don't know how to get the consistency, I really want to encourage all my followers, just to try these paints, these ready mix pouring paints, pre-mixed pouring paints, fluids, if you cannot get the consistency right. I mix my paint myself, but I still have people asking a lot of questions, and I want to show you that hey, even though these paints are thinner than my normal mix, it works. Okay, so this being my second attempt at the wing, if you decide to consider doing this wing using the spoon swipe technique, I would encourage you to practice a bit of your freehand drawing. Just trace out or draw a pair of wings. It's gonna be a bit challenging to get it symmetrical, because you're dealing with a pair, you want to get it even on the canvas, whatever it is. But if you practice, I promise guys, this is my second attempt and I recorded myself doing it and I like the way it comes out and I want to share it with you. But if you practice tracing it out on, let's say, a piece of paper, blank paper, you keep doing it before you do it on the canvas, I'm pretty sure it will come with practice. Okay, don't give up on the technique, guys. I'm trying to show you different creations that you can do. You don't have to do flowers. Flowers are so much more easier. Simply just pour it in a circle and you're good to go. So I just wanted to show you guys that hey, the fluid art, acrylic pouring is fun. All right, you don't have to limit yourself. I'll always encourage you to pick up a spoon, get your canvas, get your paint, and just go have some fun. All right, so for all my new viewers, I want to say thank you so much for being here. This is a fun channel and I do acrylic painting, acrylic pouring, fluid art, the whole fun jazz. I want to say hit that subscribe button. You're not going to be disappointed. Hit the bell, hit all, so that whenever I post a new video, you are notified. All right, thank you so much guys. Don't go away. I have the close-up of the wet result and the dried result, and I also at the end of the video I show you with the flash on, with the flash off, so you can see how it works in the light. It's beautiful. Before I go, I want to say that hey, this video actually took me 45 minutes, 50 minutes to actually do this painting. I know you guys have short attention spans, so I sped it up, right? So do enjoy the video, and if you decide to try this one, guys, remember, be patient with yourself. Okay, please be patient with yourself. Have fun with it. Just create something wild. Watch the colors come together. The colors really will warm your heart, inspire you. I know that. For my new viewers, I know this is all repetition and I have to keep saying that, because if you're new and you haven't seen this technique before, each time I swipe, I wipe the spoon, because I'm taking paint off the canvas with the spoon, so I wipe the spoon after each swipe. All right, if you want to go back and check out some of my older videos, I have a playlist that I'll be listing at the end of this video, right? So you can go ahead and check it out. Thank you guys so much, and I will see you for the close-up of the wet result and the dried result, so don't you go away.